welcome to our life in the Philippines. Um, Today we're just out strolling around a little bit, and we got some friends living up back here in the building you can see behind us, the Kandi Towers. And
We're just visiting our friends.
And we figured we bring the camera out and do a little vlog here while we're here. So we're gonna walk down the street a little bit, so come on, walk with us. All right, so this Kandi Tower, KT3, that's tower number 3. Kandi Tower number 3, they just finished that up not very long ago. Some of these towers are pretty interesting. This is an area where you have quite a bit of foreigners actually living in here. I know of several of them, and it's pretty decent rent too. Actually, the rent is I think I think they pay like 25,000-30,000 a month.
It's a good condo. Is it a condominium?
It's a condominium,
condo apartment,
but it's rented out. You know, the owners are not here year round, so it's always available and open for rent. And I think one of our friends, he's been in there for a year now, and it's pretty interesting. The area has a couple of pools that are really nice, and they like it there for sure. Everything is close by, near, convenient. Restaurants around here, other hotels and other things that are around here. So
gasoline station.
Gas station, yeah. Let's walk down this way and see.
Oh, I remember this.
Piccolo Padre restaurant. Yeah, we've been there once, I think.
Shelter.
Yeah.
I remember this. Remember when we eat?
Yeah. At the Prime Asia Hotel.
Remember when we came here on one of our friends' birthday?
Oh yeah, birthday party.
Yeah.
We had it all in there. That was a while ago, maybe a year ago, maybe more.
No more, 3 years.
So here's the entrance of Prime Asia Hotel, and we're just gonna walk down the street and take you with us.
Just get bored sitting.
Yeah, I get bored sitting at home, so we'll take a little walk and see what we can do.
Yeah, it's good also when you're walking for exercise.
Yeah, it's a little windy today though. Windy today. Hope the microphone sound is okay.
Yeah.
And they just love those noisy motorbikes.
Yeah. Just make it. The motorcycle make it louder.
Yeah, they think they run faster with those.
Yeah, they think that they have a big bike. Oh, it's raining.
No, it looks like something came in from the building here. I wonder what they're building here. It looks like another condo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Kandi Palace. So that's another Kandi building, I guess.
Your first kiss, we were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips, the feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time.
There's a lot of construction.
Yeah, there's a lot of construction. Right.
Kandi Tower over there.
Yeah, those are the towers. I think one, Kandi 1 Life. Back there is Kandi 3. I don't know where Kandi 2 is, but they're in here somewhere. And like I said, they have
That is us black.
nice, pretty nice pools in there and all that. It's pretty
There's
decent.
have a laundry shop here.
Yeah,
Ah, it's just very bad.
yeah. Everything is pretty close. Some beauty parlors, a little bit of everything. So, what does the time here say?
16. Oh no, 6.
6 minutes.
Yeah, 6 minutes.
Okay, so we need to keep walking.
You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was our time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah.
Yeah.
You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah.
Oh, I get hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
All right, well, we gotta eat. We have plenty of food at home.
You were my ride or die. 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 Don't forget
What's
your
up?
first.
Tattoo parlor. That's interesting. Tattoos. Tattoo by Romel Ignacio.
I want tattoo.
No,
You want?
no.
I already have tattoo.
And here you got a Kokomo Suites Hotel. They're building in addition to it, I guess.
Yeah, one is nearby the ano.
Oh yeah, Kokomo. That's
Walking
on
street,
on the
right?
walking street. Yeah, that's true.
Oh, we need to walk on the other side. It's very dangerous. It's nice weather today.
Yeah, yeah. The weather is nothing to complain about. But it's if it wasn't windy, it would be too hot to do this today.
It's not bad.
No, that's good.
What?
The sun is blistering up there in the
This is
camera.
Valdez Street.
Valdez.
I saw it on the corner.
Okay, Valdez Street. Yeah, some back streets here.
Back Street.
Back streets. Well, we're gonna walk down towards the Kandi Towers again. We're just taking some back streets, but it's pretty amazing construction going on everywhere here. MRJJ Residencies.
I know this place.
What's in here?
Is this the one that they rent before also?
This is where Leif stayed, I think. Affinity.
Affinity?
Affinity is where Leif stayed at one point. My cousin Leif, been here visiting a couple of 3 times, and he stayed up here. They have I think this was where he stayed. I'm not sure, but all right. So now we're getting into the jungle here. So let's try to walk back down to the jungle. Even here on some small little areas they have sari stores. That's how they make their daily bread. Money, bread money.
Here in the Philippines, if you have a little store, you can survive.
Yeah.
Even you earn piso by that one product, it's okay.
Yeah, that's good.
It's really hard to earn money if you don't work hard.
Yeah.
So I just salute all the hardworking
Hardworking people.
people like sales lady, guard, police,
Yeah.
what else?
All right, so here we're coming back to the towers for some of the back roads. And let's walk up here. The sun gets in the camera here, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap this one up.
Yeah, just a quick walking.
All right, so that was a little quick walk, guys, in and around the Kandi Towers today. And we'll see you at the next video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell.
Don't forget to put comments below.
Comments are greatly appreciated, and the like button helps us to move the channel forward. So,
And then share it with your friends, families.
yep. And then we go from there.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.